job. I didn't know anything about working with metal, and so I worked there for 3 days, and they were having me punch holes through steel, and I felt really manly. I went home dirty all the time. But then on that third fateful day, I pinched my finger in this like machine. It kind of crushed my finger. It was really fucking gross, to be honest. But I do that thing where I count my shows, and this happened right after show number 98. And show 100 was already scheduled. It had to happen. So I played the show with a broken finger. I wrote a song about it. I've been bitching about it ever since. This song's called Broken Finger. Thank you guys very much. Well, I can play my guitar with a broken finger, and I know that choice might make the pain linger more than it would if I was just a singer. But it's me and my guitar and my broken finger. Me and my guitar and my broken finger. The pain comes and goes, and it hurts after shows. It hurts in the morning and wherever I go. I don't like painkillers, and right now that blows. The doctor said to leave it alone. But I said I could play my guitar with a broken finger, and I know that choice might make the pain linger more than it would if I was just a singer. But it's me and my guitar and my broken finger. Me and my guitar and my broken finger. Right now I'm working as hard as I can, but I'm pretty useless without my right hand. If it looks like I'm giving you a turn, understand. It's got its own mind, yeah, it's got its own plan. But I can play my guitar with a broken finger, and I know that choice might make the pain linger more than it would if I was just a singer. But it's me and my guitar and my broken finger. Me and my guitar and my broken finger. Well, my buddy Mitch got me the job, and I'm honestly lucky that my finger's not gone. 'Cause it was crushed by the weight of the world and mother-in-laws, and I think that it's time to move on. And the prescription for Jameson was all that I'd need, and if I had extra money I'd get some fire-ass weed. And thank you, my friends, for coming to see what my broken finger has done to me. What my broken finger has done to me. Well, I can play my guitar with a broken finger, and I know that choice might make the pain linger more than it would if I was just a singer. It's me and my guitar, my broken finger. Me and my guitar and my broken finger. Thank you guys so very much.
Play another cock.